Hey everybody, how's my fellow pioneers today? This is Shawn with Pioneer Survival Company. Today we are going to be reviewing the Snugpak Response Pack. Alright, so like I said, today we are going to be doing the Snugpak Response Pack. This is something new that I picked up the other day, and a quick disclaimer. All the reviews that we do, pretty much we are not provided the gear by any outside company or anything, so this is strictly stuff that we buy and we review. If for any reason, you know, we were provided the stuff, we'd let you know, but we try and do honest gear reviews and just tell you what we think about the product. So recently, I purchased some of the Snugpak products. Been wanting to try them out for a long time. They seem really cool, really lightweight and so forth. And the first thing I got was this. It's a little hip pouch, and it's also MOLLE compatible. So I can unhook these. I can strap them to a pack. Here it's got this pull-out waist. Kind of stuck in here right now. It's got a pull-out waist belt, so I can strap this thing around my waist and carry it. The thing's super lightweight. I've got this thing loaded with a lot of good stuff right now, and I think it's only coming in at about 2 pounds, so that's pretty cool. I'm just going to go over it real quick, just show you some of the stuff I have. Right now I'm on a stealth camping / hunting trip, so some of the stuff I have in here is geared towards hunting, and the other stuff is just my basic survival kit that I carry with me just in case, you know, some crap goes down and I need to stay out here and survive. So this thing has 1, 2, 3 little pockets, and then it has a main compartment. And I'll just kind of give you an idea. So in the first compartment here, I just have some .22 ammunition. I have a spare magazine for my Ruger Hunter handgun. I was doing a little squirrel hunting. Over in the other pouch, have my rangefinder, so you can see that's a pretty good sized pouch here. You could get a phone or something in here. I don't think it would hold like one of the big iPhone XS's or something like that, but I mean, it's a pretty good sized pouch. It's got these nice little breakaway clips for your handle. And here I just have some basic stuff. I have my hunting license. I've got some pyro putty, which is just a quick start. I have some other quick start fire cubes. I have a pocket fishing kit in case I decide that I want to do some fishing. And then I just have a small Skinner knife, so if I catch some squirrel, I can field dress them. And then on the inside, I have my Bushcraft Outfitters Mest tarp, which I will do a review on soon. And then a couple other things I have in here is I have a survival fire tin, and I have a survival sewing and repair kit. So this survival sewing repair kit I have, it's pretty cool. It's just got some cell needles, it's got some duct tape, Kevlar thread, you know, just some of the basic things that I need in case I was to tear something, need to do some repairs, stitch myself up, make some butterfly band-aids out of duct tape. And super lightweight. I mean, it's only a couple ounces. Great to carry, and it fits easy in this pack. And then my survival tin here. You know, if I was to run across the problem, I've just got my Mylar blanket here, so I could use my tarp to set up a quick improvised shelter, wrap myself up in the Mylar blanket to try and maintain core body heat. I have these emergency water bags. They hold 1 liter each, so I could you know, purify some water real quick, fill it up with this, have a little extra water. And then of course I just have my Exotac XL fire striker. I have a little Sunto button compass, and then I also just have some cotton material in here, so I can do you know, straining of water, whatnot. And then of course I have the metal container that it comes in, so I could boil water in this if I have to, pour it into little plastic containers. I can make char cloth out of this with my cotton material. So it's a very versatile little kit that I have here, just in case I ran into an emergency situation and had to survive. But like I said, this thing's coming in only at about a couple ounces. As you can see, it's probably just a little over 14 inches long, and great little pouch. I just carry it around my waist with me throughout the day, so I hike in all my big stuff in my backpack, keep this with me throughout the day when I'm out scouting. And so far I've been using this for about a week. I've used it this entire trip that I'm on so far, and I've got nothing but good things to say about this. It's made out of a high quality ripstop fabric, and everything looks like you know, it's sewn real well. All the mollies on here like super strong. It's got multiple lash points if you need to add some other bags. Another great feature, on the bottom you've got a couple tabs right here if you needed to lash something on. Obviously you're not going to want to do too much lashing, or it's going to get a little heavy around your waist. But this thing fits tight, it fits snug, it's real quiet when you walk, and you know, I'm quite happy with it. So that is the Snugpak Response Pack. Have a great day, guys.